Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, January 13th, 2022. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Before we begin, please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. You know what to do. And also, if you're interested in more in-depth data on a little storm that might be impacting the region on Monday, let's say talking about vorticity and how the certain short waves are going to be interacting and what we're seeing right now in the water vapor satellite picture, and you definitely want to check out the premium consulting membership. Hit that link and you'll get all the information you need. Now let's dive into this forecast. Well, currently right now we're much warmer than what we've been the past couple of days, with temperatures in the mid 20s to lower 30s over the far northern interior, upper 20s to lower 30s in your suburbs, lower to mid 30s in your urban areas. Winds are light and variable, but clouds are on the increase with a pesky little cold front that's approaching the area. Now, a lot of this precipitation here, well, almost all of it, is not reaching the ground. It's just cloudy skies. So I'm not expecting much in the way of any type of precipitation, actually, for today, as we are watching this shortwave transfer its energy down towards this disturbance off the southeast coast. Don't worry, though. This one is heading way out in the Atlantic and will not have any direct impacts on us. Indirectly, though, well, it'll certainly be a player in our next storm, as this starts to set up the blocking pattern for our storm that is going to be coming in on Monday, which, again, remains very much questionable in terms of the track and what to expect with this storm. So I wouldn't put out any maps yet, but things could be getting rather interesting later on this afternoon. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, scattered broken cloud cover, temperatures rising into the lower to mid 40s. Overall, a pretty nice day if you don't mind some cloudy skies. For tonight into tomorrow, there's our low pressure system blowing up off the east coast, well enough off to keep any of the heavy precipitation off the coast. Look for scattered broken cloud cover with low temperatures in the lower to mid 20s over the interior, upper 20s to mid 30s along the coast. For tomorrow, our storm continues to press off into the Atlantic. Now, look at this pressure gradient. That is impressive, and that means it's going to be pretty breezy. We're also going to have an Arctic cold front dropping in at just about the same time as this low pressure system is lifting out. So it's going to lead to scattered broken cloud cover once again. It can't rule out an isolated flurry or two. Look for high temperatures, I say, in the lower to mid 30s over the interior, upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast. On Saturday, that storm exits, Arctic high pressure builds in, and temperatures plummet below zero over the interiors, lower teens, or should I say single digits along the coast, high temperatures in the single digits over the interior, and mid-teens along the coast. So Saturday is going to be very cold and dry. Arctic, cold, dry air. Then on Sunday, well, we start to see our storm developing to the south. Now, high pressure will be in control for much of Sunday, so it looks like a pretty dry day through the afternoon hours. Low temperatures will be in the teens below zero over the interior to the teens along the coast. So again, very cold. In the afternoon and evening hours, our temperatures warm up into the mid to upper 20s over the interior, lower to mid 30s along the coast. Depending on the track of this storm, that could actually end up being a little bit warmer towards midnight. But as we head towards the late evening hours, look for light snow to break out, possibly quickly changing over to rain along the coast. This is going to be an interesting storm on Monday. Okay, now we have a wide variety of solutions here, ranging anywhere from taking this low pressure system up to central Pennsylvania, which obviously would lead to a rain event for the coast and a wintry mix over the rain over the interior, to a solution where the low pressure system stays south of Long Island and everyone stays with frozen precipitation. Note I say frozen precipitation, that doesn't mean just all snow, but a wintry mix of pretty much everything. So this could be a real mess, and the reason why there's a lot of uncertainty with this storm is because we're waiting for better data to come in with the shortwave coming into the west coast and also from northern Canada that's going to create this storm. And so today we start to see much better data ingested, and we get a much clearer idea of exactly what we're dealing with and how soon this storm actually starts to get its act together and in what orientation and whatnot. Regardless of precipitation type, this is what we do know. It's going to be a storm that's going to be marching its way through on Monday, especially Monday morning. The winds associated with the storm look to be pretty strong. We're talking about gusts up to 50 miles per hour, and this storm's going to be producing very heavy precipitation. So we could be dealing with very heavy snow for the northern interior, for example, while flooding, or especially urban flooding, will be a concern along the coast. Again, if this track is further east, and you're talking about snow, sleet, and just a whole lot of mess just in time for the Monday morning rush hour. So stay tuned. This is going to be a nasty storm, regardless of what the precipitation type will be. And also we're going to be concerned about coastal flooding as well, along with wind damage. So once that storm exits, then we get to Tuesday, where we have a weak trough moving through, possibly a few flurries and much colder conditions. Look for low temperatures in the mid to upper teens over the interior, lower to mid 20s along the coast, high temperatures in the mid 20s over the interior and upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast. On Wednesday, high pressure will briefly be in control with sky cloud cover in the morning, followed by the threat for a few flurries in the afternoon and evening. Look for low temperatures in the single digits over the interior, mid-teens to lower 20s along the coast, high temperatures in the mid-30s to lower 40s. And then on Thursday, that cold front stalls out and a new wave of low pressure develops along it, and that could lead to some scattered rain and snow showers along the coast. Look for low temperatures in the upper teens to lower 20s over the interior, mid to upper 20s along the coast, high temperatures in the mid to upper 20s over the interior, and lower to mid 30s along the coast. That is your forecast discussion for today. We'll have more details tomorrow on our storm, and hopefully we get a little bit better data and really zero in on exactly what to expect. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.